Oh, I've got this assignment that I've got to get done and this big project analysis. This is very important. I can't lose it. I better save my data. Oh, what was that? Oh, well, I'll just go ahead and make sure I've got a copy of this for later. It's very important to the business. I can't lose my data. Oh, what was that? Oh, I hope I didn't lose anything. Oh, power's becoming rather unreliable. Can I lose data with that kind of thing? Is that sort of kind of going to cause me a problem? Is it going to suddenly make me lose files and maybe, and also, have you ever wondered why IT people recommend backup batteries? UPSs, those big black boxes that sit there chugging away with lots of cables hanging out of them. Have you ever wondered what these things do? Can it stop you from losing data? If you had a power outage, can you lose data? Absolutely, absolutely. On a server, it's even more critical. On the server, there are things that are stored in memory that are not written to the actual drive. And if the machine gets restarted because of a power failure, you may lose data or it may get corrupted. I've seen an instance where we added a whole bunch of new users to a network just as the power glitched. After the reboot of the server, those new accounts were no longer there. Can you lose data? Yes. So what does a UPS do? Well, a UPS does a number of things. In fact, to say that there are 9 major things is a bit of an understatement. But here's just a couple of them. You can have an overvoltage. So you don't have 240 volts, you've got 250. That can cause some problems. You could also have low voltage or a sag. You could have 200 volts, and yes, the server can struggle to make up the difference and it all falls over, and again, the server goes down. You've got surges and spikes, brownouts. You've got a whole bunch of things that can go wrong. So what do these things do? They're basically a sacrificial box. They will actually die. Give them 2 or 3 years of power spikes and surges and blasts away, and the circuit boards can die. The batteries also do need replacement. They do get what we call exercised. They get extended right to the maximum range and then flattened off again. So these things not only are good for making sure that the power coming into your system is a good sinusoidal wave, which it should be what the server likes, but it also bumps up the power and drags down the power to keep it at about 230, 240 volts. These things are absolutely critical. Yes, we like them on servers. We like them on backup units. We like them anywhere we can put them. The only place we don't like to put them is photocopiers and printers, because when those laser printers fire up, they draw a lot of current all at once and they can blow these units up. These units come in a variety of different styles. You get some where it's simply just a power point that's surge protected on the back, and you get some where it's actually feeding power, so it's making sure that if there's a power blackout, it's not just surge arresting, it's actually supplying power. So they are important, but if you don't have one, or if it's over 3 years old and you need to have it looked at, give us a call at BTP or email helpdesk@btponline.com.au and we'll have a look at your power needs. You might need one on the server, you might need one on a critical workstation. Have you thought about how you support your customers in a power failure? Maybe you need the reception machine to keep running and a server to keep running, or maybe there's a help desk component. Whatever it is, give us a call. We'll talk to you about the small ones through to the big ones, and maybe even a generator if you need it, and an emergency plan. Give us a call. See you later.